Hello everybody and welcome to week 3 of our spring class here at Visual Basic Online. In this week we are going to take a look at another type of class or another class that we could utilize. We've been talking about classes a little bit, and remember, one way to look at a class is it's some code that's already been written for us in the background, and so we're going to use the System Sounds class to utilize some sounds in our programs. Okay. And then we'll also learn how to import some sound files and use those in our programs too. I think you'll find that I haven't added a lot of new content for this week. It'll be pretty easy to incorporate sounds into your program. And what we're going to do is just update that word guess game that you started building last week and incorporate some sounds to it. So those of you that are maybe a little bit behind on working with the word guess game, we should be able to get you caught up this week. So if you now, to do version 2.0 though, you have to get version 1.0 submitted to me, get some feedback on it so you can fix some things, and then you just add the things you need to for version 2.0. 2.0 is going to be a 20-point grade graded on the rubric, so you have to add the menu items and all that stuff, and then add the sounds files that we set in there. So if you didn't get a first version of the word guess in by the end of the day, Tuesday, get it in as soon as you can, and when you turn it in, send me a message so I can try to look at it right away and get you some feedback so we can get you caught up on the 2.0 version. Just a reminder that when you do submit something, click on the grades link here on the right side, and then once you get into the grade book, click on, there might be some general feedback about the assignment, but if it's a 10-point assignment, you'll see all the feedback, and so that would apply to this week's stuff. If it's one that's graded on the 20-point rubric, you have to click on the assignment link, the name of the assignment, and then that takes you into the rubric where you'd get some even more detailed feedback. Also a reminder that when you look in here to the grade book in Moodle, none of the stuff in there for grades is official grades. As a matter of fact, when I use the rubric, sometimes it puts a wonky percentage in. I don't know why it's doing that. So the rubric is just there for your feedback on what you did wrong or right. You need to check PowerSchool for your actual official grade on the assignment. And if you didn't get your login information for PowerSchool, for us, our PowerSchool is different than the one at your school. If you don't have that information, let me know and I can send it to you. You should have received it from your course facilitator, but if not, let me know and I'll send it to you. So just going to learn how to incorporate some sounds this week, add those to our word game, and then do a journal entry talking about those concepts. So have a good week. If you have a question, send me a message.